Good afternoon, America. Live from northern New England, coastal southern Maine. This is Frank Margell on this Monday, April 16th, about 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon at the world famous Bug Light. I'm out and about here in the public domain, and if I strike a chord with you today, go right ahead and send me a comment. I'll post the video also at frankmargell.com. If there is indeed a comment section under my video, you might find it at steemit.com. Go ahead and send me a comment. Thank you very much. I'm out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views, and I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. And this is also a freelance video, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these April showers right here at the world famous Bug Light. We're going to get out into the storm, and we're going to get some tremendous gusts. It's high tide. I just wanted to show you what's going on with this weather here. April 16th, Monday. Are you ready? Now it's going to get really noisy, so I'll just be quiet and show you what's going on. So let's take a walk at Bug Light on this wicked spring light day right here. Northern New England, coastal southern Maine.
And all the time.